Hello, dear friends. If organs could win a popularity contest, it seems like the liver and gut would be winners. Do you agree? They tend to get the most love from the press and blogs from fellow healthcare providers like me. And it's more likely than not that you've heard about the importance of detoxifying your liver and how the gut microbiome basically controls almost every organ system in our body, including our brain. In fact, one of the most popular trends in health combines the popularity of the liver and the gut when we talk about cleansing and detoxifying. Now, this is very popular around this time when I'm recording it, which is the spring. So, what many people and in general practitioners tend to kind of overlook and not talk that much about is actually just as vital of an organ, if not as important, or dare I say more important, and that's our kidneys. According to the National Kidney Foundation, the kidneys are powerful chemical factories and they perform very vital functions, including the removal of waste products and drugs from the body. What does that sound like? The liver, maybe? Balancing our body's fluids, pH, and electrolytes. Without that, how can we have proper brain function or cardiovascular health? Releasing hormones that regulate blood pressure. Here we come again back to the kidney heart connection. Producing an active form of vitamin D that promotes strong, healthy bones. I wonder why so many people are having issues with getting their levels of vitamin D optimally. Yes, maybe because of some issues with nutrient absorption, but could it also be that our kidneys have been compromised by so many toxins in our environment? And finally, our kidneys also help control the red blood cells in our body. They actually help make them, which is basically oxygenation for life. So, as you can see, the kidneys are essential for overall health. In fact, there is this intricate connection that I talked about their functioning and most common chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease and diabetes, because the kidneys help monitor our body fluids and sugar impacts our kidney health. Now, unfortunately, there's very little knowledge in integrative medicine on how to safely and effectively support kidney health. And this includes in regards to essential oils, which is one of my favorite topics. Beyond natural diuretics, which really only address urinary health and fluid balance, many doctors are at a loss at how to holistically support kidney health. And very few even can decipher the difference from blood labs on optimal kidney health versus early signs of kidney disease. Thankfully, that is shifting, and it's thanks to our latest guest on the Essential Oil Revolution, Dr. Jenna Henderson. She is a holistic renal specialist, a naturopathic doctor, a lecturer, an author, an educator. She's the go to physician and expert on all things related to kidney health. She's a leading authority on kidney disease and a sought after international speaker on the use of safe, alternative, and integrative medicine for renal patients. She is a kidney patient herself. In fact, she's been on dialysis for 20 years. And her mission to find effective solutions for her own health morphed into an unrelenting desire to share her discoveries and effective solutions with fellow patients. So, this made her become a naturopathic physician specialist. I had the privilege of actually knowing Dr. Henderson in naturopathic med school, and she is brilliant. And now, today, she daily helps renal patients. As the owner and founder of Holistic Kidney, it's one of the only integrative telemedicine practices focusing specifically on the unique needs of renal patients. So, during the show, Dr. Henderson educates us all about our kidneys and how to support them using a holistic approach. We also highlight the use of essential oils for supporting these misunderstood and overlooked vital organs, and to discuss the cautions we need to be aware of when someone has chronic kidney disease. Because for them, we have to be very mindful of which minerals that they can put in their diet, which foods they can put in their diet, and the fluid balance. Because remember, the kidneys are actually helping with all of those areas. So I really encourage you to tune in to the latest episode of the Essential Oil Revolution. There will be a link in the video description, as well as links to additional resources from the show, more detailed show notes, this video clip in and of itself that you can watch on my homepage. There you'll find all you ever wanted to know about the kidneys. If the kidneys have a capacity to heal, the number one reasons people go into kidney failure and how you can prevent that yourself, why it's called the silent killer, the staging of different kidney disease, how you can empower yourself and learn information on what to look for in lab work. And she's going to teach us some things that we can do if, say, that we have some cardiovascular health issues or some blood sugar dysregulation issues, and how that we can support those and support the kidneys at the same time. And she brings in wonderful things, just all holistic, such as the power of laughter and having a sense of humor and music for kidney health. We talk about things such as that are more common that you might heard of, such as kidney stones, urinary tract infections, how this can impact the kidneys, what essential oils can support kidneys. And Dr. Henderson points out some research about a specific essential oil, actually two specific essential oils that are in the research that have helped people in stage 5 kidney disease on dialysis. And then she talks about her favorite essential oils, and I bring in some more essential oils and ask her questions about if they can be used for kidney disease. And we talk about myrrh, because who doesn't like to talk about myrrh? Myrrh essential oil. So, all right, my friends, that is kind of a summary of what you will see on the latest episode of the Essential Oil Revolution, all about kidney health. I really hope you tune in and empower yourself. Please go ahead and click the link in the video description. Remember to go ahead and leave a review and rating if you're listening on the podcast. And in the meantime, I will be back real soon with another video, another summary, and another episode for you. So take really good care of yourself until then and always.